Cardano cost decently really equivalent to $0.3781 a coin. Today's exchanged cost range. 0.3690 0.3791, which fundamentally is very critical in an unpretentious manner. The earlier day close. 0.3776, which especially in every practical sense, is very huge in a significant way. The change in every way that really matters was plus 0.0005, plus 0.13%, or so they in a real sense especially thought. A converse rate. United States dollars to ADA, or so they explicitly thought, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, November 20. Cost $0.38, sort of greatest 0.41, least 0.35 in an unpretentious way. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, November 21. Cost $0.37, decently by and large greatest 0.40, especially least 0.34, which in every practical sense, sort of is very critical. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, November 22. Cost $0.36, extremely greatest 0.39, kind of especially least 0.33, or so they in every practical sense, thought. Cardano gauge on Thursday, November 23. Cost $0.38, most extreme 0.41, exceptionally least 0.35 in a by and large quite enormous manner. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, November 24. Cost $0.39, especially greatest 0.42, especially least 0.36 and in every practical sense, huge way incredibly. And multi-week Cardano figure on Monday, November 27. Cost $0.36, most certainly greatest 0.39, in every way that really matters, certainly least 0.33 in a by and large huge way. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, November 28. Cost $0.37, kind of genuinely most extreme 0.40, in every practical sense, lovely least 0.34, which sort of truly is very huge. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, November 29. Cost $0.36, essentially truly greatest 0.39, actually genuinely least 0.33, which is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, November 30. Cost $0.38, kind of greatest 0.41, beautiful least 0.35, in a fundamentally significant way in an extremely enormous manner. Cardano estimate on Friday, December 1. Cost $0.39, all things considered, truly most extreme 0.42, certainly especially least 0.36, pretty genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking in an especially significant manner. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, December 4. Cost $0.40, extremely greatest 0.43, really least 0.37, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking in a significant manner. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, December 5. Cost $0.39, most certainly greatest 0.42, in every practical sense, genuinely least 0.36, which by and large basically is genuinely critical. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, December 6. Cost $0.41, especially extremely greatest 0.44, lovely least 0.38, exhibiting how in about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, December 4. Cost $0.40, sort of greatest 0.43, genuinely least 0.37, in a kind of genuinely large manner in an unpretentious manner. Cardano gauge on Thursday, December 7. Cost $0.43, beautiful greatest 0.46, sort of in every practical sense, least 0.40 in an actually certainly significant way in a significant manner. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, December 8. Cost $0.43, entirely greatest 0.46 least 0.40, which truly is genuinely critical, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, December 11. Cost $0.44, kind of most extreme 0.47, fundamentally exceptionally least 0.41 in a huge way, which really is genuinely critical. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $0.46, lovely most extreme 0.49, pretty in every practical sense, least 0.43 in a significant way. Cardano figure on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $0.48, truly greatest 0.51, kind of genuinely least 0.45. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, December 14. Cost $0.46, lovely most extreme 0.49, really least 0.43. Cardano estimate on Friday, December 15. Cost $0.47, greatest 0.50, in every way that really matters, all things considered, least 0.44, which certainly especially is genuinely huge. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, December 18. Cost $0.48, fundamentally kind of greatest 0.51, least 0.45, which fundamentally basically is genuinely huge. Cardano figure on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $0.48, fundamentally genuinely most extreme 0.51, especially essentially least 0.45, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to ADA today United States dollars to ADA swapping scale essentially really equivalent to 2.6445 coins per $1, which truly is very critical. Today's reach. 2.6378 2.7098 in an unpretentious way, or so they thought. The past day's nearby. 2.6481 in an unpretentious way and in every practical sense, huge way. Change for now 0.0036, 0.14%, which certainly generally is genuinely huge, which is very critical. Dollar to Cardano figure on Monday, November 20. Cost 2.632 coins, especially greatest 2.857, for the most part least 2.439 in a very significant manner and a genuinely significant manner. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Tuesday, November 21. Cost 2.703 coins, all things considered, most certainly greatest 2.941, sort of especially least 2.500 in a genuinely large manner, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, November 22. Cost 2.778 coins, lovely greatest 3.030, least 2.564, or so they thought. United States dollars to ADA forecast on Thursday, November 23. Cost 2.632 coins, for the most part exceptionally greatest 2.857, certainly least 2.439, which basically is genuinely critical in an extremely significant manner. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Friday, November 24. Cost 2.564 coins, especially greatest 2.778, by and large least 2.381, or so they generally fundamentally thought in an essentially huge manner. In multi-week United States dollars to ADA forecast on Monday,